Hey, welcome you all to my channel. So this is another episode of Exploring Himachal Pradesh with me. So guys, I'm totally ready and I will leave in next 10 minutes. Till then, I can pack my bag for the small tracking part and will update you soon. So I'm ready and I have to wear the jacket because it's quite cold outside. So yeah, I have to wear this. So, if you are looking to escape the crowd of Kasol, then the best option is to plan Shalal, the charming village in your bucket list for sure. Actually, Shalal is quite isolated as many tourists like us lead to Tosh Valley and Kheer Ganga from directly Kasol. But thankfully, in my case, I searched out this beautiful yet ideal destination in the lap of nature. So let's begin the true serenity of the magical Himachal Pradesh by tracking a little further from Kasol to the little village of Shalal. So guys, this is just the beginning part where you can start your track and you will see here a Maggie Point, and look who welcomed me, this dog, though I scared a bit. So to reach Shalal, first you have to cross the gushing waters of Parvati river, as you can see this, via the suspension bridge. So this is the suspension bridge which you have to cross and then make your way through the gorgeous pine forest. So here you can surely see so many beautiful views for your Instagram profile as well. See this guys, this is the natural beauty of nature. I mean seriously, such a beautiful and scenic view. And you know guys, I was not aware about this, but then I searched and I got to know that Shalal is basically situated at an altitude of 5300 feet. काफ़ी सब लोगों ने बोला कि लाइक जैकेट्स एंड ऑल कैरी करना बिकॉज इट्स टू कोल्ड आउटसाइड एंड आई डोंट थिंक कि काफ़ी ठंड है यहाँ पर, तो मुझे तो अभी मन कर रहा है मैं जैकेट भी रिमूव कर दूँ, बट फॉर अ सेफर साइड आई एम वेयरिंग दिस। एंड थोड़ा सा अभी ट्रैक ऊपर नीचे हुआ है तो थोड़ा चलने में भी प्रॉब्लम आया है मुझे, अदरवाइज look, this is very beautiful. So in between the trekking part, I got to see so many camps which you can also book for your staying part. So here you will witness so many cute little dogs which will lead you towards the end. It's been more than 30 minutes and the track is still not completed. So I had to ask the local one, and you know what he replied? He said, "Abhi to bahut baki hai." So finally I got the entrance point to Shalal. And here I see so many plants. I don't know what is it actually. कोई इसको लेमन बोल रहा था और कोई I don't know what it is actually, but yeah, this is so fascinating. So I pluck it one for myself. Though I will not eat that, but yeah, this looks so cute. So the 20 minutes of trekking part is still remaining, and I am walking and walking. So let me tell you about the timing and the duration to reach Chalal. So when I searched on Google, it is also written that this is a trek of max 30 minutes. But I don't think, for me at least, like it easily took 45 minutes to an hour depending upon your fitness and health. Though this is the easiest trek. And seriously guys, you will find here a lot of backpackers and trekkers because Chalal has found its fan following here for the trekkers who come out here to trek just like me. So you can camp out under the stars or you enjoy some hot chai, deeply fall in love with the scenic panorama of Great Himalayas. However, the delight of losing yourself in the glory of mountains make Chalal a beautiful essential for backpackers or trekkers across the globe. So now let me tell you about the budget. Though Chalal is quite budget friendly, of course you can't overlook the accommodation budget if you intend to spend some more time in this region. Though Chalal scores well for providing cheap tourist accommodations, hotels, riverside camp, homestays and so many things. So go ahead. And yeah, if I talk about the safety thing, then the Chalal beats Kasol as far as generally safety is concerned. Being a relatively less known place, Chalal is free from illegal activities prevalent in Kasol. This village is predominantly inhabited by modest villagers who thrive on earning from tourist arrivals. So while traveling, one must think for the good food. So yeah, once you get your eyes off from this beautiful village, the yummy local and Israeli food of Chalal would thrill you. Cafes and eateries serve fresh food at budgeted rates. So dig in and let your thoughts flow as the free-flowing waters of the nearby Parvati River. So the point is where to eat in Chalal. So there are many cafes where one can recharge before heading back to the trail. Chalal is located with cafes like the Freedom Cafe, Shiva Cafe, Fusion Cafe and the Guru Cafe. So I am here at Freedom Cafe. So one can easily sit back and relax while eating some delicious food and chilling out with interesting fellow travelers. So I had here falafel, hummus, pita bread and pancakes. And seriously, the experience is one will never forget easily. So once you are there, spend your morning and evenings by strolling along the river to catch the most scenic view for the rewarding trip. You know what? This quaint town has been nicknamed as the Israel of Himachal Pradesh, and I guess this is rightfully so. So this is Ruchika signing off. We'll see you soon in another episode of Exploring Himachal Pradesh. Till then, keep liking my videos, share with your friends and do subscribe to my channel. Bye-bye.